Programming in a cave. Yeah, that was it. That's a good excuse. Let's have a look. What are we doing? So yeah, what I need to do is I just need to look over. What the hell are we doing, Maxton? There we go. I need to go here and check a event that I'm planning to use. Scripting reference. What is it? On cell. Yada yada. On cell load. Now, event call when the object 3D in the object's parent cell loaded already. At this point, you should be able to animate these objects or manipulate them in other ways without issues. The event is sent every time the cell is loaded, which may happen multiple times in a single game session. Haha. So, each time it's loaded, this is where some trickery might be needed. Let's think. Two ways of doing this. Two ways. I can force the cell to reset every time you go back in, which could be a bit of a bitch for two reasons. The first reason would be the fact that it might well reset things that I don't want it to reset. And the second thing is loading times. The other option is just that I'd have a trigger around that entire cell, which is more like on trigger enter. So every time you come back into the cell, you trigger it off. That's what I did for Mershkum. That's what I'll probably have to do with this. But if I did that now, it'd probably just be this irritating bloody trigger in the way. But I could still do the script. So let's do this the trigger way. The trigger way is probably best, really. See if we can select the main structure and add a trigger to it. Trigger, new, CT, trigger, cell check I'm going to call it, and this one's going to be, we can do this universal, are we? Yeah, we're just going to call it cell check. So it doesn't need any of this, and we're going to add a new script. And I said the outfit changing is going to be better this time. So also I'm not sure that I've actually got Mershkum scripts in here, so I'm going to have to, whoops, I'm going to have to hunt those down. No, it won't be called that, would it? From the top, see if I can find it. Home, enter, maybe. Notify, just naff off. I don't need an update. Outfit, find next. Outfits, you actually have the outfits on trigger. You've got that, quest items, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Dynamics. Functions, dish foods, dish fires. Here we go, dynamic interiors. So if the arrow is between this, this, and this, and that, this, then blah, blah, blah. This actually changed on their packages as well, I think. Okay, might not be that one. Welcome to the chickens scripting. Packages available, do you want to download it? No, naff off. Right, we need the whole actor thing. Packages. There we go. The whole system that changes their clothing depending on the time of day. Ah, no it isn't. That's packages in packages, not packages. Damn it. Where is it? What is it called? Yep, you are reading those scripts correct. There are 4 scripts for the toilet for Mershcombe Estate. So you can actually take a dump. Sound effects and everything. It's magnificent. What else? Takes immersion to a whole new level. Come on, it's here somewhere. There's something related to outfit changing. I know how to do it anyway, but this is just something that'd be nice to look at. There it is. Set outfit, new package equals that. That's it, that helps. If AK new package set on package change, that could be useful. So we can have 2 scripts running, and I'm pretty sure I had 2 scripts running this time round, so it just sets the outfit, whatever outfit they're currently wearing is sort of sodded off. Very weird. And the way I'll do this is probably both. Okay, I'm just trying to check my emails on my phone, which has decided to pick this moment to freeze. Fabulous. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to need the... Have I spelt properly wrong again? No. So we're going to need the name of all the outfits for each of the actors, first of all. CT outfit, alchemist armour. Hold on. What was I thinking here? Yeah, that's it. Right, I've got it. So, let's start on this. So you got armour, chill, and work for each. So we've got outfit for the alchemist, and now we've got the conjurer, which is the same again. Armour, chill and work. And Forge Master. So outfit, Forge Master, armour, chill, work, I think that's right. This one is then going to be the librarian. Armour, chill, and work. So that's all of the outfits, and then we're obviously going to need global, very property game hour, so we can look at that and save that. Just make sure I haven't balls anything up. So this is going to be on trigger enter. So let's go grab that. On trigger. Your NPCs won't use stairs while sandboxing. If it's just sandboxing in the general area and they're on the bottom floor and they won't go to the top, there's actually a mod out there. I can't remember if Brojoul actually did a video on it. I think they did. It's to do with getting NPCs to actually go upstairs when sandboxing, because they don't otherwise usually. If you're actually specifying a specific location on the second floor for the NPC to go to, and they're not going, it could just be a nav mesh issue. So, oh no, I didn't copy that because we're waiting for it to friggin' load. There we go. Syntax. End event. Right. Upon entering the trigger, I'm going to sort outfits first. It's going to have to check the time. Now, what I said in the other stream when I was actually setting the times up is that I've made it easier on myself, which I have. This can go. We need to find that other one. Had that other script open, didn't I? Which was for home enter. Made it a lot easier with the timing of things, because everything's on the same time. So if the hour, we've got 3 stages, haven't we? They all have armor, chill and work at the same time. So we're going to have to figure out what that was. Package 4, let's start with armor. Ah, oh, interesting, okay. This gets a little more tricky. Is following, can we get that? Is there something along those lines? Ah, nah. Following. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to ignore the whole follower thing for the moment, because that could mess things up, but we actually only have 2 states that being 2 different outfits, so their work hours, if they're in their work hours, do this, otherwise don't bother. So greater than, and it is less than that, and that. So we're actually going to need another global variable, which is going to be CT global DI for dynamic interiors. Dynamic interiors is going to cover things changing around the place and outfit changes. I think we might want to put this as an actual separate option, so dynamic outfits. We're going to want to make a variable for that. By default, we're going to want it as 1. CT global, I'm going to shove his PlayStation 4 so far up his rectum, parts of the inside of it are going to fall out of his mouth if he keeps banging this bastard floor. I hate my neighbours. Actually, I have some nice neighbours, but a lot of them are idiots. CT global DO. Excuse me. I'll have to take a short break in a minute while I strangle someone. So if dot get value equals 1 and the time is between, when did I have them working from? I think I was a nasty person. Let's have a look. What is it? Oh, on work. Why does that not state the hours? Or them ones aren't used, they're old ones. I was going to say. Alright, that's fine. Those can go. Delete some old references that we didn't need. 2 test packages not being used. Get rid of those as well. There we go. So package chill, dinner, sleep, tea, work. Work for either of them is 9 until 6. So the hour is more than 9 and less than or equal to 6. Then you're going to want to set their outfit. So basically, if it's between the hours of 9 or 6 o'clock, you want to set their outfits. So, oh, we're going to need actor refs. This is interesting. Actor, is it? No, it's object reference actually. Object reference property CT ref actor arc von auto. We've got Arbella or Arbel, and then we've got Jothan. Then we have Sodar. Get me a soda. What else? So, and what I'm going to do is state the actor, set the outfit to what it needs to be. That is just being a pain in the ass. Set outfit to work, in this case librarian, and I'm just going to go through each of them, so probably going to be easier. Arbella, is it? Arbella, have I put that up there right? Yeah. Arbella dot set outfit CT outfit, and this is going to be alchemist work, and CT ref actor, who else is it, Jothan dot set outfit to CT outfit conjurer work, and the last one would be CT ref actor Sodar dot set outfit to CT outfit. What is it? Forge master work. Else you're going to do all of that, but it's going to be different. It's going to be a different outfit. It's not going to be work, it's going to be chill. Error, set outfit is not a function on 33. And 32, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, let's check that out then. That's what this was. More actors, so you're actually stating the actors, not the references. Okay then. So in that case, these need to be CT actor. Is not a function does not exist. Yes, because I haven't set these. This needs to be actor property or actor base. I'll find out which in a moment. There we go, actor property, that's better. All that should autofill, not a problem. And of course it doesn't. So this is where it's actually selecting them. Oh, such fun. Okay, that's weird. So I could do it how they were named previously. But this doesn't undo now. Ah, shit. Never mind. Okay. Let's just put the whole ref thing back in and then we'll actually name them that as well. Ref underscore actor ref. That should work. And all we have to do is make sure our references are okay. So I'm just going to confirm that for now. Click OK. And I'm going to give them their references, if they haven't already got some. Bella. That's that lady going to the dorms. Don't know why. Going to the forge. And why I went into the dorms. And go with Sodar. And we've got the library and the lobby. Archivon. Get to our good friend up here if we can. This funny bastard. There we go. So, give the shutter running over. Didn't miss too much. No, not really. We're just setting up the whole system for the outfits, basically. Right. Let's see. I'll need to go back to the Apex for this. And I think this might have done a nice job here of just kind of covering everything, which is nice. That's about all it needs to cover. And if we double click on it, edit the base, click on here, autofill. What we don't have is Conjurer Armor for some reason. And I'm not sure why. Apparently I haven't set his armour up yet, which is interesting. I don't think I know what to do for him yet, so I'm going to click OK, confirm new, and just pop to the dorm because I don't actually remember what it was. So, where is he? Over here, isn't it? Last one on the list. So we've just given him steel, which is pretty standard. That I'll mess around with later then. So maybe if we can get the NPC outfit changing working, that'd be nice. And what we'll do is also make sure that we connect the script to everything else. Now this is where we can add our meshing. Let's have a look. What is this? Edit base. And the base is not quite telling me what it is. Hold on. Tower interior base dorms. New NIF here. Which I'd already opened and I left open. It should no longer have collision for any steps. Also means there shouldn't be there. Oh, that's good. Right then, so tower interior base dorms new. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy that. Thanks to SimSim, we now have some correct collision. Is it structure, interior, main, base dorms, new. And I'm going to rename that. Hopefully all we have to do is refresh and everything's hunky-dory. That crashed then. Right, there we go. So now I can go to the actual mesh for it. This is interesting. Structure main dorms. God damn it. There we go. So, the dorms is comprised of mostly wood. And if we look, we don't have collision for stairs anymore. Hopefully. Doesn't look like we do. That's awesome. That's cool. Basically, with the mesh, I wouldn't think that I actually have to send a mesh over. I don't think. Because all it is, all that the difference is, let me go back, because I think we've got one for the forge, which has the same problem. Shouldn't have a problem. All it is stone, the forge. The forge is just stone. So instead of the material being wood, it could just be, it's the same mesh, but stone. And when you send, so you just like do that collision again, which probably takes you seconds, I suppose, and change the material to stone in place of the wood, and then just send that, and I can just change this back to Dwemer textures anyway on my own in Nifscope, so that'll be absolutely fine. Just want to confirm in chat that's you sort of got all that. And that would be brilliant then. Then we can replace this one. I think this was actually the same mesh. So tower interior base apex? Tower interior base apex? Yeah, I'll just name that appropriately then. So I think that should be two separate meshes. What's this interior base there? That one's fine. That shouldn't have anything collision wise wandering around. Shouldn't be a problem. So funnily enough, the Dorms version shouldn't have nullified textures anymore. Oh great, selecting all the wrong things. Yeah, no nullified textures, because the ones that were nullifying are now deleted and the collision gone as well. So that's fine. Yeah, that's it, no wood at all. More followers. Right then. So that's that done. We were working on the whole outfits thing, so we're going to have to add the trigger in. So all we have to do, hopefully, is just go cell check trigger and leave it there. It should all be kind of auto-filled as we keep making changes. And I can put this in each section of the tower. And this is where triggers can get a little bitchy with each other, actually. Triggers within triggers. I know this has been a problem for me in the past with exteriors, so we're going to see how they work with interiors. Could in fact do something there, but never mind. CT trigger, cell check, pretty much surround that again. Forge, library's going to get the same treatment, everything is. So when you click on an object and add a trigger to it, it usually puts the trigger around the object as best it can. So if you select the main structure, it's just going to cover everything, which is perfect. And the lobby. Basically, as you move through the tower, it's going to keep checking over what state their outfit should be in and set it up correctly by checking the current time. And a weird bug that used to take place with merge is for some reason the outfits got shoved in the player's inventory. But that's also now the reason why I've just made their clothing unplayable in their outfits. So that even if they got added to the player's inventory, they shouldn't exist there. Hopefully. What I might need to do is just test it on a few things by changing them back to playable and go around the tower later on and see if they are being added in, because even though they're unplayable, they'd still be being added in and sort of cluttering up your inventory. So I'd have to find a way around it. Now, I could test this out, I think, by just passing time and such. But we would also want the whole package version going on. Now, these are on package start. Meaning, I think this script gets added to the package. Now, they've each got their own work package, but they can each have pretty much the same script. So if you go to actor and select one of them, go to our Bella, go to our packages, go to her work package, just check this over. Go to our work package, you can actually go under one of these here. I think it's begin and end changes, and you can add a script onto a package. CT script outfit change. This one can have a more specific purpose. If AK new package is equal to in fact this might go on the actor, not in here, so I'll take this out, but I can write the script in here anyway. If the new package equals CT, you know what? This might as well be really short and it can be used differently. Okay, work package. If it's work package, then self.set outfit to work outfit. I'm just going to type this out. I think it's probably going to throw an error, but it doesn't matter. Else self.set outfit to chill outfit, and end if create those sort of properties. So it's going to be work package and we're going to have outfit work outfit chill outfit. Probably going to be a failure there or something. Set outfit not a function for self, that's fine. So should be able to do the same trick as I do with the miscellaneous items of the crafting system. Not sure if it'll let me have target actor, but we'll see. If we have an object reference, function or does not exist. Actor property, target actor. Shouldn't autofill anything. Let's just see how I set this up last time. So on the actor, morecook.set outfit, I actually stated them as object references. That's fine. Let me move that off there. Don't really want it on the package. I want it on the actor itself. So on package change, and that should work on itself. Sorry, not new script. Outfit CT script outfit, and then you're just going to start stating themselves. So CT outfit alchemist work or chill in this case. Then that one needs to be CT Apex, CT Ref Actor or Bell. This needs to be Alchemist Work, and package needs to be CT Package Arbella work package, and we just set that up for each actor. And we don't have to do all the time checking because it works off the package which has all that put in anyway. So what's this one? Archvon, that's librarian chill. That'll be librarian work. That will be the library that we need to select. Archvon and his own package for working. Jothan. That'd be quite funny if you could actually send that before the end of the stream. We can just do it then. But no rush at all. Actor Jothan, that and outfit. CT script, outfit change. Don't know why I'm auto-filling. CT outfit, this is going to be the Conjurer's chill outfit, and then we're going to need the Conjurer's work outfit. Then the Conjurer's package, which is Jothan, and then the target actor in the lobby, which is Jothan. Sodar, easy enough, he's in the forge. Bollocks. Mess that up. Try that again. There we go. And I do want to... Actually, no. Absolutely, that's fine. So when the package changes, it will force an outfit change, meaning that if you're already in the trigger and not entering it as the time changes for a new outfit, then you're fine because it will just change it. Hopefully it won't happen in your face while you're looking at them or anything like that. And then if you are entering the trigger and they haven't yet changed because you hadn't got them loaded in the game for the package change to make the outfit change, and the last time that you saw them or the initial loading is of the wrong outfit, then it will change it because you've entered the trigger. So either way, it's going to make sure they're wearing the correct outfit, hopefully. Sometimes it can go wrong, or it did with Mershgum, so we'll see if that works. So we've got outfits to check and also the collision in the dorms. And that'll be fine. Let's see, got another email. £10 says to follow. Oh no, in Forge Mesh. Wicked. There we go. I was quick. I thought it wouldn't take long. Okay. So we've got Forge Mesh. Hold on. Oh, god damn it. It's not zipped up this time. Right, that's fine. All we have to do is put this back to the correct textures. Let's go with that. I think that's correct. Should be floor again. And that should automatically change anything else that was linked as well. So that's stone border, design, dome of stone, and flooring, and save that as Forge. What we're going to do now is go into the Forge, and select that mesh instead. And there we go. And then if we go F4, we haven't got any stairs there, which is awesome. Thank you very much, Sim. Right then. So the outfit's done, that's the mesh is done, and in fact those can go. I'll sort of update my backup. There we go. Refresh. Wicked stuff. Now what else? And I've said that like 100 times. It's like my new bloody saying that is, what else? Think we can probably go in game, take a look, see if these outfits are actually changing or not. We set the shrines up right and everything. Yeah, let's hop in game, see what's what. Head straight to the dorms, it'll be around 8 o'clock. Their default outfit is their work outfit. It should change them into their chill outfits. If they're even in here. So there you can see, before I even got a chance to turn around, it's turned them into evil. It's changed them into their work outfit. Not their work outfit, their chill outfits. There we go. Then when they go to work, they should go into their work outfit. Now, hopefully this hasn't ballsed up and like given us anything in our inventory. Don't think it has. And what'll happen is we'll just wander around a bit. We'll see if these stairs have worked. Before we were sort of ending up walking up the stairs there, but Sim's fixed the collision, which is awesome. So now we haven't got that problem. These cloths need linking to the table. Haven't got to worry about that at the moment. Then we've got other things to link. These poles are screwed up. Loads of stuff going to be kind of messed up for now, for the moment, but it doesn't matter. Progressing. Got the drapes to set up. I'm surprised that sort of outfit thing was easy to set up. Then what we can do now is make a few things of the wardrobe and get that going. So what I'm going to probably do is wardrobe clothing item 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then deciding what each of those are. So I have a standard version and a quest completion version of each, something along those lines, and then every time that you load up that cell or any cell, it's going to check to make sure those outfits are correct and also enable a male or female version, which could be a lot of fun. So half an hour in game to go. These items shouldn't move. Oh. This was going to be all broken up, wasn't it, and not working, and you have to fix it. Seat in there. Come on, guys. What should happen is we will witness their outfit change, I think. As their packages change, it should kick in. As a package starts, if the new package is a work package, it should kick it in. Change their outfits. So this is going to be interesting. I'll be surprised if this all works first time. Come on, finish eating. Ah, that was just battle cry. Come on, guys, what are we doing? 3 minutes in game remaining. I also need to set up preferred paving. Aha! Look at that! Look at that! Perfect! First time. Awesome. All changed into their new outfits. Their work outfits. So quick you shouldn't actually see it happen. Now they should all go to work. But they're obviously standing around because the portal's being used. Come on, man. Go work. Your turn to go to work. Yes. Come on. There we go. So he's going to go to work. See, I'm quite surprised really that it doesn't have a sort of outfit system. The only outfit system the game really has is sleep outfits, and they don't even work. It took a mod to do that. So, we can go to the library now. Hopefully as we wander through the tower, they're not going to start going naked or anything. So, seems to be working at the minute. That is probably my favourite outfit just because it's red, but that's awesome. Don't sit there, you're the head dude. Go over there. For fuck's sake. Right. I can't remember if I got all this set up now, working. I think it is, yeah. You're actually progressing your skill and such. Skill advanced. Again, I could do with some time passing on there.
Yeah.
So if I get on my skills, that should have advanced somewhat. There we go, conjuration's gone up a bit. I will kill you. Ah. Right. Superb. Think I will change those banner colours actually. Lobby, let's see how he's going. Should be good. There he goes.
Need something?
Need something? Wicked. Right. Everything seems to be coming together quite nice. Okay. So I'm just going to check that we're on creation kit again now. Yep, that's fine. Alright, preferred paving. Let's take a look. Actually don't need it for in here. They won't be walking in the middle of the forge hopefully. Let's go to the dorms. Couple of ways of doing this. And I don't think I've finished. Oh no, I did nav mesh it even with the issues. I sort of went over the nav mesh again. More emails. Right. So the one way is really to delete that bit of nav mesh there, which would be a bit naff. So I'm going to try the preferred paving option without deleting anything first. Yep, not quite finished all the nav mesh in there for a good reason. need is to be able to see what has changed and what has not. I don't think I actually clicked the preferred paving option. Let's do that again. So those of you that, oh bollocks, those of you that don't know, preferred paving just forces an NPC to use a specific route of nav mesh along the triangles that have been marked for it instead of a silly route. So for an example, rather than walking through a river, it would have preferred paving to use a bridge, and they'll think, well, okay, I better use that instead. So in this case, rather than walking across the pool, they'll go around the outside to reach somewhere. Around we go. I'm just going to mark all these first. Probably the most important part for the paving. And then there's a button somewhere which we can't bloody well get to because it's moved it. I think it's that one. There we go. Oops. I thought it was that one. I think it's that one. Oh dear. What does that even do then? Ah. Oh joy. It didn't do anything major, it just means I have to go over it again because I frigging cocked up. Hit the wrong button. It'd be pretty daft if they end up going right through the pool when it's actually full and then going to bed soaking wet. This looks silly. So that's what this is all about. Stop them acting like muppets. And it should be that one there. Preferred paving goes yellow, that's better. That's more like it. That's what I'm talking about. So, should be good to go. That's a preferred paving. Mesh is sorted out. A bit of scripting done. Outfit seemed to be running like a charm. Although, like I said, I'd have to test a few things out there. Give it a good run. Run around and see if outfits are getting chucked into my inventory rather than just being removed. Because that would be silly. Ah, yeah. Alright. That banner I really wanted to change colour as well, but I'm not going to do that now. So. Oh, I went silent there for a moment. Neighbour bashing the shit out of their letterbox. So, what better way to open it? Where are we? We're going to do 4 outfits. Sort of get my notes up here. Outfit 1 can be Archmage robes. Outfit 2, what could be a second outfit? What kind of stuff do we get that's unique in the game? Anyone has any suggestions of the best sort of unlockable or just tough to get outfits that we can put in the wardrobe? And we can put those in, and I'll start on the Archmage robes. So, not sure if I've already done them actually. Don't think I did. No. I'm kind of here actually. Saviour's hide and such. That'd be a cool one. Just trying to see the Archmage when I can't see it anywhere. Ebony Mail would be an interesting one, and then swap it out with Ebony. Comes under clothes, so if we get a mail first. Do the main body. That's what we're going to need there. Change that. Have to remove a few things here. These are something I'm pretty bored of making now, but good thing is I'll release them as a resource, so. And also if I ever put anything like this in a mod again, I haven't got to redo it. Got a lot of it done already. There is that one copied over. I think I've just done that one, haven't I? I have no idea what that's for. Robe skin? Don't think we're going to actually want skin, so that's fine. The female Archmage. So that's nice and simple one. Clothing static. Archmage. clothing, static, female then. And this has got extra parts just to make things awkward. Damn, these emails are flying through it. Copy that one. I'm going to put fluff. I don't know what else to really put. Kind of what it is. Right, that'll do. That's the female version of the Archmage clothes. Go with clothes static and make these. Archmage. Male and female. Refresh. Well, it doesn't really matter if a bit of clothing, bit of armour, maybe 2 clothing, 2 armour, something like that, and it just needs to be like nice unique stuff from in the game. So what I'm probably going to do here actually is 2 clothing items. First one is Archmage robes, or if you haven't become the Archmage, it's going to be some standard college robes. And then the next set of clothing is going to be either, I suppose it's just going to be the robes for the actual tower, so with the unique symbol on, and it'll be the male or female version, and they're going to be blue. And then we've got 2 sets of armour which we can have, so maybe I can look into some unique armour that you could get. But there we go. Just looking at the best way of putting this in here. Doesn't matter if there's a bit of clipping as it is clothing, so. Put that in there like that. Then we're going to need a hook, wardrobe hook. Oh crap. I'm going to steal this from the dorms because I've already sort of rotated it. Copy that, go back to the Apex, refresh it. No. Should be good to go. Ta-da! and then lower that down. Clip in with it. Perfect. There we go, we have that. And then I suppose we've got the Archmage boots, which could appear in there. There we are. Nice. So the other thing that we're going to need then is obviously the female version, which should just go right over the top of that one and fit quite nicely as well. That might need moving a bit. And there we go. That's pretty awesome. And other clothing items as well. So should have the static clothing for the maid robes, and I think I only have male versions, so let's just put the male version in, not make the other version afterwards. That will go in there as well. So it's like a clash of both of them. So I've got a bit of nasty clipping going on there, which you want to try and prevent. Come on. There we are. That okay? Sorry, that'll have to be alright. Looks good to me. And then just make a female version. Put that on the top. Right. Then the other two sets there, so there'll be 2 armour there, 2 clothing there, a load of other stuff there, which is going to be storage all sort of put out properly. Easy peasy. All coming together quite nice now. Pretty much done. Yeah, I think I am probably going to leave this stream there, because this is been about 2.5 hours, which is pretty good. And it's coming along nicely. And I shall have to sort of have a mess around, get other like niggly bits done, get that outfit set up, completely tested, make sure that's working fine. I'll sort out what I want to do for the next stream as well, and I'm going to get a lot of this this actual stream stuff done. I might be looking at a new intro and outro, and also just, like I say, get the general sort of setup sorted out, which would be nice. And if I can actually get the chat and everything on a separate monitor, that'd be fantastic. But we shall have to see. So for now, that might just about do. Probably see if I can get a lot of the niggly bits done, like the drape changes and the banner stuff for the next stream. And maybe I could actually start a little on MCM or something like that. So that's it. Thank you everyone who has joined me live. So feel free to check out my anti-social websites, my main website, all of the usual. If you're watching this back on YouTube later on, then check out the comment section below. Let me know what you think, anything that you want to add yourselves. And that is it. I shall see you on the next stream, or speak to you on the next stream, I should say. Thank you very much for watching. I'll speak to you next time.